This is how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. We're gonna open up Cash App, click the icon in the bottom left. We're gonna go to the Bitcoin graph right here where it says buy Bitcoin. And first we need to buy a Bitcoin. We're gonna enter any amount that we'd like to invest in. But for this example, I will only do $5. It's gonna ask for your verification. It's confirmed. You have now bought some Bitcoin. Done. Now, still staying in this Bitcoin graph, we're gonna click this arrow icon right here. We're gonna press send Bitcoin. Now this is gonna be the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send to the person. Now below where it says send Bitcoin, it gives you a point number amount, BTC available. That's how much of Bitcoin available that you have that you can send to a person. And now with the $4 that I want to send to somebody, the number after the zeros is currently 15124. That is less than the amount I have available. So I am eligible to send this amount of Bitcoin. Press send. Now the very first option that you see here, it says to name, cash tag, or BTC address. This is where you're going to copy and paste the Bitcoin address that's connected to the wallet that you want to send. So it's going to look something like this. It's going to be a long address. We're going to confirm whose is going to by pressing on the name. Now, once we confirm this is the Bitcoin wallet address that we want to send it to, we're going to click the name and go next. Now, right here, it's going to ask you how fast you want the withdrawal to be done. I'm going to go with the first option, priority, and click next. Now, here's going to say you initiate a withdrawal of that much Bitcoin. Click done. You successfully sent an amount of Bitcoin to another wallet.